backwards hat activation. Oh, horse poop. I'm trying to make a sexy video and you're pointing out horse droppings.
I didn't want you to step in.
What a gentleman. He's a gentleman and he's hot. Oh my goodness, we do not understand the weather here. It is snowing when seconds before it was we were too hot and we were taking off layers because it was so sunny.
Look at these big old balls too.
Yeah, they're like little. This is a little scary. We are turning around because it suddenly started snowing / hailing up in the Rocky Mountains, and it's too bad because we were probably so close to the summit. We decided we didn't want to risk it getting super
Gotta be safe.
Yeah, super icy and snowy.